Students, welcome in my class step by step, and in today's class we will do percentage part 15. So I hope whatever we have done till yesterday you all are following that and you all are doing self practice. So first question for today is, if the price of sugar raised by 25%, find by how much percent of a housewife should reduce the consumption of sugar so as not to increase her expenditure. This is very important question and practical question also. Once again, listen the question. If the price of a sugar raised by 25%, find by how much percent a housewife should reduce the consumption of sugar so as not to increase her expenditure. Meaning of this question is, अगर चीनी का भाव 25% बढ़ता है तो जो गृहिणी है वो उसे कितना प्रतिशत खाना कम कर दे कि उसका खर्चा ना बढ़े. तो आप इसको बार बार पढ़ सकते हैं. सो हाउ वी विल डू, we will just see, we have to just find, we don't know the original consumption of sugar, so we will assume that let the original consumption of sugar be x kg. Since the price of the sugar is raised by 25%, so new price will be x plus 25% of x, so it will become 125 upon 100 x. So I will cancel it. 25 4s are 25 5s are, so it will come 5 upon 4 x, right? So for the same expenditure, new consumption, this line is very very important. For the same expenditure, new consumption should be 4 upon 5 of x. So 4 upon 5 of x kg, that means reduction in consumption of sugar is x minus 4 upon 5 of x kg. So we will simplify it. 5x minus 4x will become 1 upon 5x kg, right? Then percentage reduction of consumption of sugar is equal to 1/5 of x into 100. So we will just simplify it and it will just calculate it 20%, right? So these steps, they are very very important. So you will do these steps like this and think practically about this question. Such types of question are asked in exams. Next question is, if the price of petrol is raised 20% today, by what percent it should be reduced tomorrow to bring it to the original price? So in this question, we will first assume that let the price of petrol is x, the new price is x plus 20% of x. Then x plus 20% of x, we will calculate all these. This will by LCM 100x, 20x upon 100, it will become 100 plus 20, 120 upon 100x. So we will just cancel it. It will come 6 upon 5 of x. So here, after this, as price of petrol should reduce to previous level, its price should be x, right? So percentage, that is, percentage is 20 upon 6 upon 5%. So that means 20 into 5 upon 6. Then 2 3 ja 6, 2 10 ja 20, and this will become 10 5 ja 50 and 50 upon 3%. So we will just convert this into mixed fraction. So it will become 16 2 by 3% this. So this is the price should be reduced to bring it to the original price. So here these two steps are very very important. After this, why you have taken this here. So percentage, that means 20%, and this one, what is this new price? New price into percentage. So then you will calculate it and then you will do this. So think in your mind practically and just do self practice. When you will just do working yourself, then you can know why you are writing like this. So keep learning and keep revising, and good luck for your exam and good luck for your all entrance examination also, because entrance exams are also coming for many competitions. So good luck to all the students. See you next class.